I'm going to show you how to improve or increase the image quality in Canva. So if you have a blurry, low quality image like this, I'm going to show you how to improve the quality and increase it. First, you want to go to the projects section from here and create a new project, or you can create a folder, and then go to uploads and then click on upload file and upload your image right here. And then you can click on open your image in the editor, which will add it here. And then you want to select your image like this and go to the apps section on the left side. And then you want to search for upscale like this. And then you want to select the first tool, which is a paid tool, and it will require Canva Pro to use it. And then from here, you can basically choose the upscale resolution, starting from 2 times up to 16 times. And then just press the upscale button. And the higher the upscale value, the higher the quality is going to be for the image. And if you don't have Canva Pro, there is another way to do this for free. First, you want to open up a new tab in your browser and then search for Image Upscaler. And then click on the first link. And then you want to drag and drop your image right here. And then you can choose the ratio from 200% to 400%. And then click on Upload and Start. And wait for it to finish processing. And once it's done, download button should appear right here. You can click on it to download the upscaled image. And then if you open it up, it should be better quality than the original one. Now, as you can see right here, this is the first or initial image, and this is the upscaled one, which looks slightly better. And that's how you do it. You can also go back and upload it to Canva and use it there. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.